We will begin the installation of all services with the deployment of the database. Let's take a look at setting up the database for the Logger service. We will start with the image that can be found on the Docker Hub. I will set the container name, or the host, as follows, and immediately define our name in the configuration file. We can see what constants we need to connect our service. This is the port, user root, and root password and connection URL. Let's look at the volume. In the database service, we will use for initialization, creating a database, a table, and users to connect to our database. We must specify all the name and passwords in accordance with our environment file. It's time to raise our database and check its work through the admin. Let's write the database constants to our environment file. Open the console and enter the command to raise the container. We see that everything is okay. Let's look at the Docker interface and make sure that everything works. Everything works fine. Now we will try to connect through the admin. Let's go to the browser in our admin and enter the access that we set during installation. We select the Mongo driver. In the host we must specify the name of the container and the root user and password. As we can see, everything is working and we have successfully logged in. We can move around, select the base that we have initialized. Now our base is ready for work.